Today I'm here to talk to you about a new way to build your portfolio. Are you tired of paying high fees like most Canadians with meager returns in a complicated portfolio created by your traditional big bank stock advisor? Or do you just want to learn to become a better investor? Well, join the thousands of Canadians just like yourself who have taken control of their stock portfolios. They're paying less fees and are creating simple 10 to 25 stock portfolios. It's your money and your financial future, so do something about it. For the past 20 years, I'm proud to say KeyStone's unique research has been leading the charge for independent-minded investors across Canada. Come to one of our fall 2019 DIY stock investment seminars in a city near you and learn why the traditional big bank diversified model is killing your stock returns. We will show you the new way to build a winning portfolio. Simply focus on 10 to 25 quality stocks, pay less fees, and earn more money in your portfolio. You will find out why dividend growth stocks, which provide both income and growth, should be core to your portfolio. You will get a complete macro overview. We will talk about what is going on in the market and global economy right now. Is the market currently expensive or cheap? Learn why you shouldn't try to time the market and what happens if there is a recession or crash. Find out if cannabis, blockchain, big data, cybersecurity, machine learning, AI, gaming stocks, all of these hot topic companies are right for your portfolio. Finally, you will get real current buy recommendations to start your starter portfolio today. Some of the best dividend producing stocks we will talk about in this seminar, 1 to 2 of the best unknown but highly profitable Canadian small cap stocks, and 1 to 2 of the best US growth stocks that we find in the market from our research right now. All from the research team that has recommended the best performing stock on the entire TSX over the past decade, the Boyd Group. Symbol BYD.UN on the TSX is now up over 8,000% since our original recommendation. Plus, we recommended one of the single best performing Canadian non-penny stocks in 2018, Expel Inc., symbol XPEL on the NASDAQ, up 320% in 2018, and the gains have continued into 2019. The stock is now up 700% in the past 2 years. To be frank, this seminar is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you are looking for the magic button to financial freedom, look elsewhere. What we will provide is solid, practical advice with real-time tested recommendations and a simple, ongoing strategy. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what our clients are saying.
If I were to give one piece of advice in terms of investing, my advice would be to follow Aaron and Ryan's advice. Subscribe to the KeyStone letters and just do what they say to do. And I believe that your long-term investments are going to pay off big time.
I've become a client and it's been a year and I've enjoyed it so much and I like their services that now I've actually upgraded and I've increased so that I've got everything covered. Retired, live off my dividends. It's crucial to what I do, and of course it's going to affect the standard of living and what I'm wanting to do in my future between now and then.
KeyStone is a truly independent research firm. This should not make us unique, but it does. Unlike the big banks or brokerages, we do not perform financings for the stocks that we recommend, and we do not receive payment from companies for the inclusion within our research. This focuses on one thing: finding the best performing stocks for investors across North America. If you are not familiar with many of these stocks, you are not alone. Because of the way Bay and Wall Street make their money, stocks like Boyd and Expel have limited to no coverage. In the case of Expel, for example, over the past 2 years, not a single big bank analyst even bothered to cover the stock, and none do today, despite the tremendous performance. While both of these high-performing stocks should have been recommended to you by your bank, your broker, or advisor, or fund manager, they were not. Adding just one stock like this to your portfolio can make a significant difference to your long-term returns. But we don't just specialize in underfollowed cash-producing gems. Core to our service is our dividend or income stock research, recommending some of the best income or dividend producing stocks over the past 8 years. In fact, our hybrid Canadian dividend portfolio has crushed the TSX since inception 8 years ago, producing a total return of 220.9% versus the Toronto Stock Exchange's paltry 34.2% over the same period. But what have you done for me lately? That's what our business is all about. To start 2019, we have already seen top recommendations perform excellent. Recent recommendation Viamed Healthcare Inc., symbol VMD on the TSX, has jumped 56% year to date. From our US growth stock research, 2 stocks, the first EPAM System, symbol EPAM on the NASDAQ, and Zynex, ZYXI on the NASDAQ, have gained 70% and 212% respectively just in 2019. Zynex has in fact more than doubled since being recommended at our last seminar in spring of this year, just 5 months ago. If you were at that seminar, you would have got that recommendation and been able to profit from that company today. And the Boyd Group, for its part, symbol BYD.UN on the TSX, is up another 88% since the start of 2019 alone. We don't believe in hype. Our goal is to keep it simple and recommend buying great businesses. Our research, paired with a low-cost discount brokerage, helps you create a simple portfolio of between 10 to 25 stocks designed to beat the market long term. Now, if you're tired of paying high fees and underperforming the market, take just a couple hours of your time and become a better investor. I look forward to seeing you at one of our fall DIY seminars in a city near you. Thank you and profitable